How to earn $50 per day online on Clickbank. This is a free strategy that is fully scalable and you can implement it very easily. These are the things that I will cover in this video. Create your Clickbank account, set up your simple funnel, drive traffic to your landing page and earn money. Before starting out this video, if you do not know about my channel, then here I am showing you all the money making tips, digital marketing concept and how to become an entrepreneur and leave your 9 to 5 job. If you wanted to get similar types of videos, consider subscribing to my channel, and if you like this video, don't forget to click the like button. For earning a full-time income from home, I have placed my link in the description box. You can use that link to start your journey from today. So let's start it with the today video and start with the first step. Create your Clickbank account. Move to the clickbank.com. Clickbank is the world's largest digital affiliate marketplace. Click on create account and it hardly takes you a few minutes. After creating your account with the Clickbank, your next task is to move to the affiliate marketplace. Here you can find different types of categories that are included in the Clickbank. I generally work on e-business, e-marketing, health, fitness, parenting and families, but for the purpose of this video, I recommend you to work on weird niches. Do not work on common niches because there are a lot of other people who are also using or implementing this strategy. So in order to bypass those people, I recommend you to work on uncommon niches. So what are uncommon niches? Apart from 3 or 4 niches, e-business and e-marketing, health and fitness, parenting and families, all other niches are uncommon niches. You can start working on any niche. Let's suppose if I click on home and garden niche, these are the products that are included in home and garden niche. You can sort those products using different things. I generally recommend you to sort using gravity. It is the number which tells us that how many affiliates have sold that product and made an unaffiliate commission. This product has a gravity of 136 and it offers you an average affiliate commission of $57. So over 130 affiliates are making money after selling this product. So we should select those products which have at least 20 gravity and which offers you at least $30 affiliate commission. Let's move to our next step, that is set up your simple funnel. How to set up your simple funnel? Just move to the google.com and search for Google Docs. Google Docs is actually a product of Google where you can share your documents for free. Open up that Google Docs. All you need is to have a Gmail account, and everyone has a Gmail account nowadays. Click on Google Docs and now it will open up the Google Docs document. So just click on blank page. Let's move to our Clickbank product. Let's suppose if we have selected this product, just open up its landing page. Just look at the landing page of each product that you wanted to choose to make sure that its landing page is looking professional. It is catchy, it catches the attraction of the audience, it has few lines, it has audio, it has video, or it has images. So all this stuff make up a good landing page. There should be a call to action buttons, and this landing page is looking excellent to me. So just I am okay with the landing page. Our next task is to take a screenshot of that big image. So just take the screenshot of that image which looks attractive, which catches the attention of your audience. So just click on print screen, take the snapshot of this image. Now move to the Google Docs, click on insert image, upload from computer. Open up that image and it will be added into your landing page. Now it becomes very similar to your landing page. All you need is to add your affiliate link on that image. How you can get your affiliate link? Just log into your Clickbank account, click on promote, and from here you can take your affiliate link. If you've already logged into your account, you will see your account nickname here. Generate hop links, take your affiliate link. Now move to a platform that is known as bit.ly. because the link that you have taken from Clickbank is looking very ugly, and in order to make it pretty or shorter, just use this site bit.ly. Paste your link, click on shorten. Now your link has been shortened. Click on that link, copy that link and move to the landing page. Click on image and add your affiliate link on the image. So apply. Now add few lines. Add your affiliate link here. So our landing page has been created and it is fully ready. Now our next task is to drive traffic to that landing page. So once it gets traffic, there is a chance that people will click on either on image or the text, and once they click on the image or the text, they will then move to the landing page. So it is your affiliate link. So if anyone move to that landing page and end up buying that product, like click on add to the cart and buy that product, you will earn affiliate commission. That's how you will make affiliate commission using this strategy. Now how to drive traffic to this page? This is really important, and for the purpose of this video I am using a very simple strategy that is known as block comments. Just go to Google, as our product is related to the woodworking, so just type for woodworking tips and tricks. Now open up, you can also open up the YouTube videos, or you can also open up the blog post on the Google. So just open up blogs, like if I just click on familyhandyman.com, open up these blogs. Just look at these blogs whether it is built professionally, as you know they are ranking number 1 on the Google, so you can assume that this is really trusted blog. That's why Google has made it number 1 on its search engine. I will just show you an example related to the one comment. All you need is to copy and paste this process to other blogs in order to get massive traffic to your landing page. So how you can do? Just find the blogs that offers you comment section. So some blogs may not provide you the comment section, so leave those blogs. Just open up the next blogs in order to check that whether those blogs will provide you the comments. So you are seeing that there are a lot of discussion going around about this woodworking tricks. So what you can do, just type your comment here, like click on post comment. So here you can post your comment. Just type attractive looking comment like hi. So I have just written up a comment. You can just read these 3 to 5 lines. After finishing with this, you have pasted your landing page link here. So if anyone like your comment, there is a chance that those people will click on your link, and from that link they will move to your landing page, and from that landing page they will click on your affiliate link and then move to the actually product page. So if they end up buying, you will earn affiliate commission. So make sure that just you cannot do it for only one blog. All you need is to do this on a regular basis. Just do or write 2 to 3 comments on a daily basis. So that's how you can massively increase your reach by adding to different blogs. Some of the blogs gonna approve your comment and some will not. So do not get disheartened. It will take your time. You need to wait for 2 to 3 months. From there you can start making some decent income. If you do it on a consistent way, definitely you can reach your mark, $50 per day within 5 to 6 months. This is really simple strategy, and anyone can do that. If you like this idea, or if you have any question in your mind, please ask me in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you.